Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Judith and this is Urban Wanderlust. If you're new, welcome. I make videos all about the behind the scenes of a handmade candle company. I just wanted to jump on here really quickly and say thank you so much for all the warm wishes about my pregnancy that I announced last week. You guys are totally awesome with all of the positive feedback that I've been getting. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna do my best to stay consistent with the channel and post as much as I can. I know that might be hard at times given my situation, but I'm gonna give you as much content as I possibly can. And if you're not already, please subscribe to the channel and also follow us on Instagram, where you get a lot more of behind the scenes footage and daily updates. So with that being said, let's get started on today's video. So excited that I just got a restock of our perfume roll-on bottles. It's been so hard to keep these in stock, and with everything going on with supply chain, inventory has been really hard to come by. So super excited. I bought 600, so this should last me for quite a while. I'm gonna go ahead and restock some of our most popular scents that sold out, which is Palo Santo, Desert Flower, and Sweet Musk. So I'm gonna get started with that. Also need to do an Ikea run. Haven't done that for a while, so I'm super excited. I wanna get other little bins like this so that I can keep the roll-on bottles in, but I want them with covers so that dust and things like that don't get into them. I'll probably repurpose this for something else. But for right now, we're gonna get started just restocking a few. This has made it so much easier to fill the perfume, because before I was using the droplets, just like I use the droplets with the lip balms, but this makes it just so much easier. Just kind of squeeze here and then the suction just pulls it right up. These are from Amazon, so I'll link them below in case you guys are interested. When it gets this low, then I just start using the droplet because it doesn't have enough power to suck it up. excited because I've been out of stock of my gold candle tints for a long time, and I finally found a supplier that has them, and I ordered like 300 of them. So I'm gonna open this box up and check them out. Hopefully they're the right type of gold, because a lot of places have that really fake shiny gold, and my tints have like a more rustic gold look to them. So hopefully these match and I can use them and I can bring them back in stock, because right now they've been out until late December supposedly. So let's check it out. So this is what I was afraid of. These are the new tints. These are the ones that I currently have on my line right now, and you can tell the difference. This is more of a yellow gold and this is more of a rustic gold, and since my customers are used to seeing this, I can't just replace it and give them this. Not even for a little while, because I don't even like the way that looks. It's like too yellow. It looks like fake. Like, I know it's not real gold, but you know what I mean? Once the customer is used to seeing this, I can't give them this. Yeah, look at that. I don't know if it's picking up on camera really well, but it's like really, really bad in person. Like, it's super yellow. And I just ordered 300 of it too. I was so excited because I thought it was gonna be good. Online, it looked like the right color, but I already called the company and they're allowing me to return it. UPS is gonna come pick it up today. I obviously have to pay for shipping to send it back, but at least whatever I spent on them will come back, minus shipping. I think I'm spending about 40 bucks in shipping, because it is pretty heavy. All right, so that's sad. Guess we're gonna have to continue to have these sold out for a while. Back from Ikea, and we just got a few things because they actually didn't have a lot of things in stock. I guess I haven't been there since the last time we put the whole studio together, but it was really empty. But I still was able to get some of the basics of what I really needed, and then like one extra. I'll show you what I had, and then I'll go ahead and start to reorganize the studio a little. All right, so they had these cute little baskets. They didn't have these the last time I was there. Well, actually they had the long ones. They still had those, but then I thought these little ones were cute. So if I'm doing smaller pop-up events, that I can just put like a couple of my lip balms in there. You know, I have that other stackable tray that I got from Etsy where I put my lip balms, but I'm just thinking maybe I could put something in there. So I got 2 of those, and then I got these little bucket storage bins, which I thought were really good. These have lids on them, so I can put my lip balm trays in here without dust collecting. Currently have them in this one. They don't have a cover, but it's been pretty good this way, but I just figured this as an extra precaution would be better. And then I needed a place to put all of my perfume bottles and little things. I figured I can put them in here. So we're just gonna go ahead, switch those out, and then get started working on a couple of orders today. This is so much bigger and it holds so much more. I like it better. I needed one more. Oh my God, it doesn't fit. I'm gonna be, oh my God. Wait. It fits after I do this. Oh God. So I didn't actually measure whether or not if this would fit in here, and it doesn't, because I just assumed it was the same size as this. Oh my God, I do this all the time. It looks the same size, like the same height. Ugh. Okay, so it does fit if I take the lid off and then put the lid on while it's under there, but that makes it so much harder to get things in and out. Oh, that's so annoying. This is why we measure before you buy. Oh, that's really annoying actually. What do I do? Do I leave it like that? Oh. So this is a box of 1,000 wicks that I have in stock as extra. And I usually just put them in here, but I think I'm gonna put them back in the box into the closet up there so that I can utilize this space for things that I'm actively using every single day. I went to Ikea hoping I can get more of these really big ones so I can put here in place of these ugly ones, but they didn't have any more. They had them in the dark teal color and the light green, which I think are so beautiful, but me being a Virgo and a perfectionist, I think it would have drove me crazy that there was one a different color than all the rest. So I opted not to do that. I knew that I was gonna be replacing these with the new ones with the lids, so I figured I can just use this to put in there so that at least it can look white. So let's go ahead and do that. Yeah, that fits better. Yeah, much better. Okay, so I've been doing a little reorganization and I realized I wasn't recording. So these boxes were upstairs in my other closet, and these are full of my packing peanuts that I use. Can you even see that? Yeah. So these are all of the packing peanuts I use when I'm shipping out customer orders. And I saved all of it. So I had 3 boxes of this upstairs, and I figured, why do I have it upstairs when I can shove it into this closet down here? We need to make room upstairs for all of the baby gifts we're hoping to get So that's there, which makes sense. Now I don't have to run upstairs and get more packing peanuts whenever I need it. And I'm just gonna reorganize this because it was in the closet. I'm just gonna fold them up nicely, put them on the shelf here. I probably need like another basket to put them in, and that's it. And we're gonna finish processing some orders for my 16-ounce candles because they're on clearance, and we're doing pretty good because I think we're down to just 4 boxes. So that's good.